A referendum for an independent homeland for the Indian Sikhs started in London today. The announcement was made by the Punjab Referendum Commission, which was appointed by the US-based Khalistani group Sikhs for Justice. The referendum will then take place in other countries including US, Canada, Australia and the region of Punjab. Commission Chairman MD Dan Waters, based at the University of Southern California, clarified that the Commission's role is to help the Sikhs for Justice to conduct a referendum that is consistent with international norms as possible. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference has strongly denounced the use of brute force against people of all walks of life, including Hurriyat leaders and activists, employees, students and journalists. The APHC, in a statement issued in Srinagar, reiterated the unwavering commitment of the Kashmiris to take the ongoing resistance movement to its logical conclusion against all odds. The statement maintained that despite the fact that 1 million Indian troops had let loose a reign of terror in the occupied territory, the brave people of Kashmir were challenging the Indian brutalities with open justice and will never bow down before Indian repression. Jammu and Kashmir People's Democratic Party leaders and activists staged a protest demonstration in Srinagar to press for the release of Kashmiri students arrested in Uttar Pradesh, India, for celebrating Pakistan cricket team's victory in T20 World Cup against India. The PDP Youth Wing Coordinator Najmus Saqib, talking to media in Srinagar, said Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir is under a threatening environment and the youth who are going out of the territory for studies are harassed and detained on one pretext or the other. Meanwhile, Indian police slapped Draconian Public Safety Act on Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Political Movement General Secretary Peer Hilal Ahmed and shifted him to the infamous Kot Bhalwal jail in Jammu. Party Chairman Khwaja Firdaus, in a statement issued in Srinagar, strongly condemned the act. India's notorious National Investigation Agency has arrested 2 more persons in fact cases from Srinagar and Sopore. Tension between 2 Indian states, Assam and Mizoram, has escalated once again after a bomb explosion on a police checkpost by a Mizoram policeman. A senior official said that the blast took place near the Bechara forward outpost of Assam police the other day. Clashes are frequently reported between the 2 northeastern Indian states. A few weeks ago, 7 people, including 6 Assam policemen, were killed in fighting by Mizoram police in Kachar district of the state. A new report by civil society organizations has highlighted how a culture of impunity is being pushed at all levels after extrajudicial killings, mostly in Muslims, in Uttar Pradesh. The current Yogi Adityanath-led fascist and anti-Muslim government in UP has been blatant in its support for the police violence against the victims.